It looks like there's a squall over there. Yeah, you can see it. How light it is down there and how dark it is up that way. Check out the swirlies. Not tornadic, it's nothing, you know, to be worried about. More wind again. You hear the thunder rumbling. I love weather like this. God almighty, I love it. But unfortunately, the storm's gonna miss us. Which sucks, because we need some rain. Guess I gotta water the plants after all. Umbrella's still broke. I'm gonna have to come out here and fix it. Oh, hello. Wow, dude. Come on, do that again. Just don't crank up a fire, please. Or that me for that matter. See, that's quite a ways away. Took a while for that thunder to hit. It's windy! Woohoo! It looks like that squall went away. Wait for some more lightning. And sure as the world, as soon as I turn this thing off, it'll strike. Well, we'll see what happens, because I'm about to turn this thing off. You suck. The thunder. You know what I mean? Sounds like it was way over there. I want some flashes. Oh, dude, I missed it. It was over there. Maybe I need to sit here and look this way for a little bit. Woo! There went another one. Crap, I'm missing them all. Sucks. It looks like a chicken claw. It kind of does. Come on, can't zoom out any further. Wow, monstrous. Kidding. Yeah. I'm standing on metal, freaking ramp. Birds. Sounds horrible out here, but yet there's nothing really going on. It sucks. I mean, if you look that way, yeah, you see clouds. Woohoo. Yay. That's all going by. Ah! I don't know where it went. Oh well, I didn't catch it. Maybe you'll be able to see out there. Pretty good. I'm looking straight up now. It's kind of cool. It doesn't even look like there's anything going on over there. Well, I said I was going to turn it off, but gosh, staring up at these clouds is making me a little dizzy. Looks bad. Okay. I guess it's time to turn this thing off. Oh, dude! I I got it! That was awesome! Woohoo! Now it is time to turn it off.